Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So just on this one here, I'm going to be doing a little bit of dodgy work. I'm going to do the patina work on this VC Commodore. So I'm just going to be filling the holes, expander foam, and just some other like glue on top that's black, and then I'll be giving it a clear coat. Stay tuned. Alright, chuck that bad boy on. Give the can a little shake. Never done it with expander foam, so we'll just see how she goes. Oh, she just falls straight at the bottom. Oh, should be alright. I'm going to trim her up if she's in there. Well, she stays in there a little bit. This will definitely make it rust more, but the steel panels are already gone anyway, so just having a play with something different. I know people hate this sometimes. Just see how that one goes. There's actually not much left. Oh, the can might be almost empty. Can't be stopped. The can might be almost empty. Come on. This is the last one anyway, so probably be a lot handy. Yep, that's the can empty. Definitely gonna need a little bit of a trim up. Oh well, see how she goes. Alright, it's been a couple of hours now. The expander foam's dry, so just gonna trim him off, and let's just put some black stuff over the top and see how we go. Don't worry about that, just neaten him up. It's not too bad, fills up most of the gap. That's what I want. The rest I'll be able to should be able to just get off. Technically, you'd probably want to replace this whole sill panel. The inners would probably be a little bit rusted as well if you were doing it properly. So it looked pretty good. Just gonna clean up some of this edge stuff. Still be able to blend it in and make it look like they're just rust holes, but they're not the whole way through. I think this is actually the first time I've ever actually used expander foam on a car. I know it doesn't, you probably think I do it all the time, but I actually don't. I thought I'd just give it a go. It actually works quite well if you just wanted to fill something up and then put a filler over top or something like that. I can see why people do it. This is a bit of glue that I'll be putting over the top. The guy at Bunnings recommended this, Brody. Nah, yeah, whatever can go over the top that's paintable, and this is going to look black, so it might look like a rust hole. It won't look too obvious. Sort of wish I just done this with the HQ instead of going the whole way with the HQ, but it is what it is. HQ is going to be really nice once it's done. I'm actually really unsure how far I want to go with this car as well, because I can get another bonnet, I can get a grille, lights are there. There's some cheap ones around. Didn't really see myself driving this car around, but yeah, I've got that too many other projects on the go. I always just want to make this one look pretty and then get rid of him. Put that on, should make the hole. Oh, this one's white. I didn't even check that. Oh no. Oh well, white, and then I'll just have to paint him black. All good. Too busy talking to Brody. Just trim him off. need to go get one of my spatulas. Got this, got that. This one here has a bit of a dent, so I have to put a bit in there. It doesn't overly look that bad. If it's black or if it was painted brown, it probably wouldn't look too bad. Let's just see how that goes. Not the proudest moment, but see how she turns out. Alright, so I've got to go over all the rust areas and wait, here we go. So here's all the rust areas. I'm going to blend them in and try and make them look a little bit prettier. I just got some acrylic paint at Bunnings. Probably not the best idea, but it is what it is. We'll see how we go. Alright, we'll just mix her up. First time actually ever doing this, so hopefully it turns out alright. Let's put a bit. Oh. Let's see if we can make a rust looking colour. When I went to Bunnings, the lady there was like, "Oh, so you're doing a bit of arts and craft today, are you?" I'm like, yes I am. Doesn't look too bad. Alright, so it's definitely not looking the best. The colours, it's not far off, but yeah, it's very hard to make it look pretty though. You know, you could chuck him in there, take a step back once you're done. Yeah, just take a step back. It doesn't look too bad. You can still see a bit of white through it, so once you give it a second coat and try and blend it in, it might look a bit better. Mine's down the bottom a little bit rough, low rend. So overall, you can see that top of rust, and you can sort of see that there. Take a step back. It doesn't overly stand out. It looks way better than a rust hole itself. Just to neaten her up just a little bit. Now I've just got to finish off these ones, and I'll show you the end result. Alright guys, I think it's good enough. Good enough to stand 2 meters back. That's how she turned out. Even that part there and stuff. Went over this one a little bit there, try to fade him out a little bit more. The last spot down there. Sweet. I think it turned out right. Hides it a little bit better. The rust holes in general. Haven't really gone over the interior on the last video. I cleaned it, but on this one here, yeah, so I shampooed all the seats, ripped out all the old carpet. Seats come up like pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Just thought I'd show you that one. Still not perfect, but definitely looks a lot more presentable. Alright, on to the next part that I have to do. So yeah, so I have to let this sit for a little while until all this dries, and I've got to scuff it back, and then I have to put some clear over it. But I've still got like leftover gloss clear, so I'm just gonna like reduce it right down like 30%, something crazy, and just hopefully it mats off just a little bit. And I don't know if I'm gonna mask up too much. Just pretty well send him, razor blade the windows afterwards just to clean him off. All the other stuff doesn't really matter if it gets overspray on it. And just see how it turns out. Alright, so I still had some leftover paint, and I was like, you know what? Let's just add some fake rust, see how it goes. So I'll show you what it looks like. So I did this one on the guard. I think that one turned out alright. Sort of looks a bit burnt. So these two spots here, they had like all bog showing, and it just didn't really tie in as much, so I thought I'll go over the whole thing and see how we went. I think it's better than it's not as good, but it's better than the bog showing. That one there. Add the one around the fuel tank. I really like that one turned out good. and I added this one here as well. I think that one there ties in, looks nice, something different. Yeah, I was actually quite surprised. Actually, it takes a bit of time, but yeah, definitely worth doing. Alright guys, so I mixed up some clear. It's 2 to 1. I've just gone over 30%, so it's probably like maybe 35% over reduced clear, like gloss clear. So technically it should dull it out. Alright, tip him in there. The gun is full. Alright, gun's locked and loaded, ready to go. Alright guys, so the clear is on there now. Just one coat, 35% reduced. Never done that before. Turned out well though. Like, most of the rust is sort of hidden, or covered up. Looks a little bit presentable. These all held up. Like, you know, acrylic fresh today with putting a 2-plate clear over there with thinners. It's still there. Yeah, the roof's turned out good. Should be almost touch dry now. It's only just touch dry now. Just one coat of clear over there. Turned out really nice. Well guys, that's going to be a wrap for the VC Commodore. Hopefully I can flog it off and make an extra $100, $200 on it. I think I paid like $700 for it, so I don't know, if I make like $200 extra on top, I don't really care. Like, it was just a bit of fun, something to do, pass a bit of time. At least it runs, drives roughly, and looks a little bit more presentable, a little bit more clean, and then straight out of the paddock. So hopefully the next guy that does it continues it on and gets it back on the road. Hopefully it doesn't turn into getting stripped and pulled apart like most cars these days do. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Got another car up at Port Augusta that I got to pick up, and you guys will see that coming soon.